Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming eligibility. Check your state's remote notarization rules and confirm you meet age and commission requirements. Once done, gather what you need: a valid government ID, your notary commission details, and a reliable camera-enabled device. Next, pick an approved e-notary platform. You'll create and verify an account so the vendor can confirm your identity and commission. This step prevents delays and ensures the platform supports the authentication methods your state requires. You now execute the core validation. Complete the platform's identity proofing. This uses knowledge-based questions, credential analysis, or biometric matching depending on state standards. Make sure the documents are uploaded in accepted formats and clearly legible. Name and prepare each file before the session. Then initiate the live audio-video session with your signer, confirm consent to record if required, and maintain a clear view of signatures and ID. Keep transitions smooth. If verification fails, retry. To finish, you apply your electronic seal and e-signature in the platform where it attaches to the document and creates an auditable record. After notarizing, save the session recording, audit log, and the completed document to your secure storage and deliver a copy to the signer via the agreed method. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot by rerunning the identity verification or checking file formats. If problems persist, contact the platform's support immediately and document the issue for your notary records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.